We're at the KitPlus Show in Media City. I'm on the Canon stand. I'm joined by Tom. Hello, Tom. How are you doing?
I'm good, thank you.
Yeah, great. Now, you're showing lots of technology on your booth. Give us a quick guided tour what people can see today.
Yeah, so today one of the main things we're showing off is the XC protocol. So showing how a wide range of our camera ranges effectively can all communicate on one network in a live streaming environment. So, for example, we have our CRN 700, which is our flagship PTZ model. And that can work on the exact same network as our C300 Mark III Cinema EOS camera. So they can all be controlled remotely from our RC IP100 controller.
Nice.
So you can control exposure, zoom, so even on this CN8 lens here, that can all be remotely controlled, so in like a live streaming or live production environment. Also, we've got our C300 Mark III here rigged up with our expansion unit, so great for larger productions that need the V-mount technology, or battery, sorry, paired with our very popular CN8 servo lens, which is one of our latest lenses. This is 8K capable cine servo lens, so effectively you've got up to 8 times zoom with a built-in teleconverter to give you even further reach. And more so, if you do use the teleconverter, it will actually work as on a full frame body. So it's a Super 35 lens, put the teleconverter in, it'll actually work on a full frame camera.
What type of customers would be particularly attracted to that lens?
So you're looking at live production primarily, any kind of TV work, etc. They're looking for an all-in-one fast lens that's got great zoom, great image quality, brilliant for like shoulder rigs, etc. Especially the key highlight there is on that 15mm wide angle. So having such a wide angle combined with an 8 times zoom is really impressive.
Yeah, absolutely. And you've got more lenses at the back here as well?
Yes, so we've also got our flex zooms at the back there. So these are our full frame cinema lenses. So effectively we've taken the great and popular image from our CNE prime lenses, which have been very popular with filmmakers, and we've put them into a fast zoom lens effectively. So if they're looking for a consistent look, but without the slower process of changing lenses throughout, you can use our flex zooms, fantastic image quality, they match nicely with all the lenses, so great colours, rendition, and they are the fastest zoom lenses on the market currently as well, the full frame cameras.
Cool. How have you found the show so far?
It's been brilliant, yeah. There's some great chats with customers, lots of interest in the cameras, and always very nice to have some great chats with people.
Yeah, fantastic. And where can people find out more about all your solutions?
So if you go straight to canon.co.uk, we've got all of our information on the website there.
Tom, thank you very much indeed. Do check out the website for all the lenses and solutions that Canon can provide. And for everything else we're doing here at Media City, check out kitplus.com.